Hello everyone, today we are going to do standard 9 chapter number 4 ratio and proportion practice set number 4.2. 4.1 has already been completed. You all can follow from the description box. Okay, the link will be given there. So today we are going to do comparison of ratios. Let's start with exercise 4.2 question number 1. So this is a kind of a question that they have given. We need to fill in the blanks and find the correct substitute for the empty spaces. Okay, so first we will take this pair. So that is going to be 5 upon 7 is equal to, how are we going to get 28 children? So we are going to get 28 if we multiply 7 with 4. So we need to multiply 5 also with 4. So 5 4s are 20. So first answer we have got it. Now we will take 7 upon 5 and 35. Okay, 7 upon 5. 5 upon 7, and the answer over here is 35. We need to find the remaining one. So over here 35 is there. How are we going to get 35? That is 5 7s are 35. So over here 7 was there. So 7 7s are 49. So whatever number we are taking for the numerator, the same number we have to take for the denominator. Over here the same number we have taken for numerator and denominators as well. Now we will take this and this number. So the answer for this is going to be 5 upon 7 and 3.5. So for here we need to multiply it with half. 7 multiply with half. When you multiply it, you are going to get 2.5 and 3.5. So answer over here is going to be 2.5. So you have to fill in the blanks with the answers that they have, given, and the answers that we have found. This was easy and a kind of a revision of last year. We will move to the second question. Okay, so this is 9 upon 14, 4.5, remaining space is equal to, again a remaining space, 42, not 4.2, is equal to 3.5. Okay, so first we will take 9 upon 14 is equal to 42. We will take this one. Okay, so how are we going to get 14 3s are 42? So we will multiply 3 also over here. 9 3s are 27. Okay, so the answer over here is going to be 27. Got it? Now we will take for 3.5. Okay, this two we will take. 9 upon 14 is equal to 3.5 is equal to 9 into 1 upon 4, and 14 multiplied by 1 upon 4 is equal to 2.25. When we multiply it and add it, divide it, you are going to get 2.25 and 3.5. Okay, now remaining over here is 4.5 and 9 upon 14. Okay, so we will write 9 upon 14 is equal to 4.5. We have to take this. We can take any which way. I have started from the second one, then I did the third one. Now I am doing the first one. You all can do the first one also first. Okay, so over here multiplied by 1 upon 2, 14 multiplied by 1 upon 2, and then when we multiply it and divide it, we are going to get 4.5, and when we multiply it, we are going to get 7. Isn't it? I hope this concept is clear. Now question number 2, children, you all can do it on your own, or should I do it? I'll do it because we need to write it in the ratio form. So I will do few questions for you all. Find the following ratios. The ratio of the radius of the circumference of the circle. Okay, so this is the question that they have given. We need to find the ratio of the radius. This question can be asked as a fill in the blanks to the circumference of the circle. Okay, so for that, let the radius is equal to, the solution will be radius is equal to r. Radius is equal to r. Then circumference we can take. What is the formula for circumference? That is 2 pi r. Okay, so we are having radius to the circumference of the circle. We have got our 2 points. The ratio of the radius, what they have said, the ratio of the radius to the circumference of a circle. Then what the answer is going to be? That is r as to 2 pi r. Okay, and now that they have given radius is equal to 1, okay, and 2 pi r means 2 pi, because r we have already taken 1, so when we multiply r with 1 we are going to get 1 only. Okay, so we need not write 1 over here. So we have got our ratio. Moving towards the second question, the ratio of the circumference of the circle with radius r to its area. Okay, now what we need to write is, first we will take r. Okay, r means radius is equal to r. Okay, then the circumference, we will take 2 pi r. This is the formula of the circumference of the circle, and the area of a circle is supposed to be pi r square. Okay, now the ratio of the numbers denoting the circumference and the area of the circle is 2 pi r as to pi r square. Okay, so therefore you will see that pi and pi will get cancelled. This r and this is square, so it will be 2 r into r, so 1 r we can cancel, and there will be only 1 r remaining. So this is going to be 2 as to r. Only r will be remaining from here. I hope you all have understood this question. Now the third one is the diagonal, the ratio of the diagonal, the ratio of the diagonals of a square to its side if the length of the side is 7 centimeter. Okay, so the diagonal of a square, what is the formula? Root 2 into side. Okay, so it is going to be root 2 into 7. So the answer is going to be 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for diagonal of a square. Okay, the length of side is 7 centimeter, isn't it? Now the ratio of the diagonal of a square to its side, what it is going to be, for according to the sentence that they have given, is equal to the ratio of diagonal to its side is going to be 7 root 2 as to 7. Okay, so 7 and 7 is going to get reduced. What is going to remain? Root 2 as to 1. I hope everyone has understood it. There are 2 more questions, children. There is one question. You all can do it because it is just easy. Perimeter of a rectangle, you all have to write what is the perimeter, and then you all have to do it in this way. Okay, I hope you all will be able to do it. It's very easy and it can be asked for fill in the blank, so don't leave it. We will start with question number 3. Compare the following pairs of ratio. We need to compare it. So 5 upon 3 and 3 root 7. Okay, so for this 5 into root 7 is equal to 35, and 3 into 3 is going to be 9, is going to be root 9, is going to be 81. Okay, so you will see that one side you have got 35, one side you have got 81. Okay, so 81 is obviously greater, isn't it? 81 is greater. Therefore, which one is greater? Root 81 will be greater. If 81 is greater, which side will be greater? This side is going to be greater and this side is going to be smaller. So, we need to write the question, okay, is greater. You all have to do it simultaneously, children. Don't mix the numbers from this side to that side or you will face confusion. Second question is root 3, root 5, 5, root 7, root 63, root 125. Okay, now what we need to do is root 63 is equal to 9 into 7 is equal to 9 into root 7 is equal to 3 root 7. Okay, what we did? We splitted the terms of root 63. Okay, then we will split the terms of 125. Okay, 25 into 5. We have taken such number from where we can get the root outside. So it is going to be 25 into root 5 is equal to, from here we can get 5 and root 5 will remain as it is. So we have converted this 2 into this 2. Okay, so now we have to write this. Instead of this fraction, we need to write this. So let's write it. 3 root 5 and 5 root 7. 3 root 7 and 5 root 5. Okay, we have changed the fractions. Okay, the ratios has been changed now. Now after this we need to compare it. Now for comparison, you will see that 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 are the same. Okay, that is we need to compare what? This 2 with this 2. Isn't it? So root 5 upon root 7 and root 7 upon root 5. That is 5 upon 7 and 7 upon 5. Okay, what we did over here, we cross multiplied it. Sorry, just a moment. Yeah, what we did over here, we cross multiplied it and we removed the squares of both the sides and we got 5. Same for the 7, we removed the squares and we took the squaring from both the sides and the square root is removed. Okay, so only 5 upon 7 and 7 upon 5 is remaining. Now which one is greater? This one is greater, isn't it? For that you all have to write 5 upon 7 is smaller than 7 upon 5. Okay, now this side is greater. So which is the side that is going to be greater? This side. Okay, if this side is greater, which side is going to be greater from the main question? This side is going to be greater. So children, you all have to do it in this way only, so that eventually you will get the same side to the answer that you all are finding. Okay, and stepwise your answer will be coming. Okay, so we got this, from this we got this, and we have got this from the question itself. Root 63 root 125. Isn't it easy? It is very easy form. It just looks lengthy, but it is very easy to solve. Now question number 3. Third one is 5 upon 18 and 17 upon 121. Okay, so 5 into 121, we are cross multiplying it. It is 605, and 17 into 18 is going to be 306. Now which number is greater, children? Obviously 605 is greater, isn't it? So 605 is greater than 306. Therefore which side is greater? This side is greater. Okay, so 5 upon 18 is greater than 7 upon 121. Is it easy? Now we will solve the fourth sum. Root 80 and root 48, root 45 and root 27. Okay, so first we will do the splitting of the terms. Sorry, this is 80 and this is 48. So this is going to be 16 into 5 upon 16 into 3. Okay, so root 16 and root 16 will get 16 and 16 will get cancelled, and what is going to remain? 5 upon root 3. Okay, now we will take for the same thing, we will do for 45 and 27. Okay, now for this 9 5s are 9 3s are. So 9 and 9 will get cancelled as we cancel 16 over here. So the answer is going to be 5 and root 3. You will see that we have got the same answer. That means these two ratios are equal. This is known as comparing the ratios. 45 and root 27, they are equal. Got it? This was easy, isn't it? Now we will do question number 5. That is 9.2, 5.1, 3.4, 7.1. Okay, so 9.2, 5.1 is greater than 1. Okay, and 3.4, 7.1 is, sorry, this is smaller than 1 and this is greater than 1. Got it? Because it is in point, this is smaller than 1 and this is to be greater than 1. Okay, so therefore what we get? 9.2 is what? It is greater than 3.4, 7.1. Now we will move to question number 4. That is a parallelogram ABC. ABCD is a parallelogram. The ratio of angle A and angle B to its parallelogram is 5:4. Find the measure of angle B. So a parallelogram has been given, children. You all have to find the angles, the remaining angles. Okay, so this is A, B, C and D. Okay, so you all can follow the question from the textbook. Just a minute. The ratio of angle A to angle B is equal to 5:4. Let the common multiple be x. Okay, then angle A is equal to 5x degree and angle B is equal to 4x degree. A and B. Okay, this is 5x degree and 4x degree according to the question they have given. We have took x for both the sides. Now what we can do? Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. How we get this? We get this by interior angles. Okay, so this is 5x degree plus 4x degree is equal to 180. When you add this, you are going to get 9x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 upon 9. 9 1s are, 9 2s are. X is equal to 20. Therefore, angle B is equal to 4x degree, means 4 into 20. So, angle B is going to be 80 degree. Got it? Wasn't it easy? Now, we will move to the next question. Question number 2. The ratio of the present age of Albert and Salim is 5:9. 5 years hence, the ratio of the ages will be 3:5. Find their present age. Okay, so the ratio, you all can follow the textbook. Question from the textbook, children. The ratio of present ages of Albert and Salim is 5:9. Let the common multiple be x. Okay, so Albert's age is going to be 5x, whereas Salim's age is going to be 9x. Okay, from where we took this? We took this from the question. Okay, so we have got x Now according to the condition, Albert's age will be 5x plus 5 and Salim's age will be 9x plus 5. Okay, why we are taking 5? Because hence 5 years, after 5 years, and that is why we are adding 5 to their ages that we have taken as 5x and 9x. Okay, so from the condition 5x plus 5, 9x plus 5 is equal to 3:5, isn't it? After 5 years the ratio is going to be this. We have added the 5 years and the present age is over here. Okay, so we are going to cross multiply. This is going to be 5x plus 5 is equal to 3, 9x plus 5. Cross multiply, sorry, not cross multiply, multiply it in this way. You will be getting 25x plus 25 is equal to 27x plus 15. Therefore, 25x minus 27x is equal to 15 minus 25. Okay, so when you subtract 25 and minus 25 minus 27, 2 minus 2x is the answer and minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 upon minus 2. So, when you reduce it, you are going to get x is equal to 5. Okay, so now we have to multiply 5x, that is Albert's age. So 5x is how much? 5 into 5. So Albert's age is 25. Albert's age is 25. And what is Salim's age? 9x. So 9 into 5, the answer is going to be 45. So Salim's age after 5 years is going to be 45. Okay, no, sorry, not after 5 years. The present age is 25 and 45 respectively. I hope everyone has understood this question, children. Now the question number 3 is same as we did the second question, so you all can try it. The 4th question is also the same as we did just now. I will try the 5th sum. No, we will do the 5th sum. If the product of the numbers is 36, 360 and the ratio is 10:9, find the numbers. Okay, so this is the 5th question. Let the common multiple of the ratio of 10:9 be x. Okay, two numbers that they have given, that is 10x and 9x respectively. Okay, and what is their product? Product is 360. Okay, so this is what we have got from the question. 10x into 9x is going to be 360. Okay, so x into x is equal to 360. 10 into 9, x into x is going to be 4. We will split this term. X is equal to 2 into 2, taking the square root from both the sides. Okay, we will take the square roots from both the sides, and what will remain? X is equal to, x is equal to 2. Okay, now 10x is equal to 10 into 2, so it is going to be 20, and 9x is going to be 9 into 2, so it is going to be 18. So the two consecutive numbers are 18 and 20. Okay, I hope everyone has understood this exercise. There are few questions remaining, children. There are 4 questions remaining, but they are equal to what we have done. Okay, so if there is any queries, please let me know in the comment section so that I can solve those questions for you all. But I don't think so there will be any problem, as we have covered almost all the questions, and the similar questions I have left for you all to do it. Okay, so see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.